Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today, we're at day 28 and a half, and I'm getting ready to stop work out on the truck and come back more towards the shop and start working on some client stuff. But what I did real quick is I went into Torchmate CAD and I drew up some mounts for the Roto packs. I'm getting ready to work. I'm working basically on the driver's side, so I need to get those mounted to see where everything's going to go. And so I thought I would show you the process of what I'm doing here. So I am using the Torchmate. It is a 2x4. I'm cutting out of 190 thousandths steel. I have a 2-foot by 4-foot Torchmate machine utilizing the Hypertherm 65. And then I have a Husky 60 gallon 6.5 horse air compressor. Now, a lot of the stuff is actually quite old. The Torchmate table now is coming up, I want to say, at least 6 years old. That Husky compressor is got to be at least 15 years old. And things are working great. So basically what I did is I did my first mock-up. And this is fresh off the table. I didn't even put new consumables in it like I normally do. But this cut fresh off the table. And man, the cut quality is amazing on this. So let me take you through the process. I cut the one out, I checked it out, we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the other three. And so what I'll just go, I hit pause, so now I'll just go do a restart. And it's going to go through. It'll blow through this next hole. And kind of a weird cut path it shows on this one. But it cuts out the inside first. And then goes down to the next plate. You can see that I kind of overfilled my table this time. But I'm really impressed with the Torchmate. Makes light work. That's something that would kind of be a pain in the butt to do accurately. I think I only need 3 of these, but we'll see. I went ahead and cut out 4. If you're thinking, covering the camera, if you're thinking about a machine like this machine paid for itself in about 2.5 years of doing basically hobby work. So I highly recommend going with something like this. If you think you may use something like this, thumbs up, pull the trigger, make it happen. It'll pay for itself in the future. And now everything will return home and good to go. It does have a 60-second runtime on the, a 15-second runtime for the air to purge afterwards. But, you know, it really works out really well to do nice, once again, quality parts. I don't even have to do a whole lot of deburn on this. Probably hit it with the sander for maybe 5 seconds and good to go. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I just thought I would throw this in as an update. I may or may not get a whole lot of views, but this is just one of the processes that I'm using to build this adventure truck. So that's going to be it for now. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.